Hey guys, what's up? I'm Glenn. So welcome sa ating YouTube channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. Ako nga pala si Glenn. I'm doing content since 5 years. Nung simula ako 16 years old, nagsimula ako dito sa paggawa ng content, and sadly, hindi ako consistent sa mga ginagawa ko na content. And up until now, last year hindi din ako naging consistent sa paggawa ng content. And one of the reason bakit ako napastop sa paggawa ng content last year because of nabash ako sa hindi naman ako mismo yung nabash, maybe yung dinefend ko na tao is nadamay din ako. But now I've learned so much, and also sa pagtigil ko sa paggawa ng content, I thought yun yung magbibigay sa akin ng peace, but hindi pala. So I love doing content. That's why from now on I'm trying to give time sa aking self to film, to create ng content. And alam niyo ba guys, itong pag-film na to is like random lang siya. Sabi ko, no, I need to start content. I need to start creating content right now. Kasi nami-miss ko na ang paggawa ng content, nami-miss ko na yung paggawa ng mga tutorial videos, and now is I'm expanding. I'm trying to film myself every day and post it raw, no edits, or maybe cut lang but no fancy edits talaga. And I just want to see myself 5 to 10 years from now growing with this platform. Mula nung gumawa ako ng content dito sa YouTube is naging happy ko na siya, and nagpo-post naman din ako sa Facebook, but sabi ko that I need to continue my YouTube channel kasi sayang naman yung monetization ko here. So if you are here, thank you so much for watching. I know na konti na lang kayo, na nagsialisa na yung iba, but sa mga nandito pa rin, thank you so much if nandito pa rin kayo sa aking YouTube channel. So now I just want to share you guys ng aking progress today. Today is naka-decide na ako. It's May 31, 2025 and I am 20 years old right now. Nagpaka-decide na ako that sasalang na ulit ako sa monk mode. So yung monk mode is yun yung mga pagdisiplin mo sa sarili mo to focus a certain goal na gusto mong ma-achieve. And last year nag-monk mode din ako, and yung pag-monk mode ko, ang goal ko noon is at least maka-achieve mo lang ng isang malaking bagay para sa akin. And I'm so happy kasi dahil sa monk mode na ginawa ko, nakabili ako ng first car ko, and I'm so happy na noon nagko-commute lang ako. Ngayon nagda-drive na ako ng sarili ko car, and thank you so much din sa guide ng ating nasa taas. And also kailangan talaga ng hard work, prayer, and also now I'm doing content because I want to share value, hindi lang sa YouTube but also sa self-motivation, paano may progress also. That's also one of my purpose here, because I want to see progress sa self ko and to be consistent. And my goal is to post daily, randomly, raw videos, no fancy edits, just a little bit cut lang ganun, and post ko siya. And now guys, I am planning to build my first may agency na ako, magto 2 years na ngayong November, and hindi siya ganun kasikat, tsaka hindi din siya ganun ka sobrang structured, since yung agency ko na GDMC is nagsa-start pa lang siya, and also DTI registered din siya. And now I am building another agency, a digital marketing agency called Otoma. So gumawa ako ng Otoma because everything is AI na. That's why kinonect ko yung Otoma plus AI. So I have 15 employee na mga AIs, and also I have mga tao din na nag-handle ng mga AI ko. So now, samahan nyo ako na i-build ng aking agency. So my goal today is to create logos sa aking Otoma, and also my goal I have also here, lagay ko nga dito, tignan nyo. Naglagay ako dyan. It's my 100-day monk mode wall. So my main goal here for 100 days is to build 10 AI YouTube channel. Then after that, to scale my Otoma agency, to get more clients, to help more random peoples and business owner to monetize your YouTube channel, since yan naman talaga yung ginagawa ko 5 years ago. And also to grow my personal brand. That's why I'm here. It's part of my monk mode, doing contents, continue doing, giving value to other people. And also, I have some mga non-negotiable na mga gagawin daily, and hopefully samahan nyo ako sa journey ko na to. And I have a weekly target, so I'll be the one to take the challenge, the 100-day goal content creation here sa YouTube daily. And this is the first day, and hopefully guys, nasamahan nyo ako hanggang matapos ko 100 day. And thank you so much for watching. Yun lang muna masishare ko ngayon, kasi wala pa akong masishare muna sa mga update ko, but I'll keep you posted everything sa mga progress ko, if ano na ba yung mga nangyari. So, but currently guys, I have already mga channel na mga napag-grow at mga napamonetize, but my plan is to build another 10 YouTube channel. So, I just want to share that last month, last month, nag-build na ako ng channel, but I failed because of inconsistent. Hindi ako consistent talaga dahil sa marami akong ginagawa. And now, I manage already my time, my goal. So that's why I am so excited na ibahagi sa inyo ang result. If we can get my goal that I can monetize my 10 YouTube channel or earn 500,000 sa lahat ng aking mga YouTube channel, grow my agency, my Automa agency to help more clients. My goal is to get 20 clients for 100 days, international, command or local. That's my goal, 20 business owner, and also to grow my personal brand to 100k subscribers or followers. So hopefully na samahan nyo ako and tulungan nyo akong ma-achieve ang ating goal today. So maraming salamat guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hanggang dito lang muna and I'll see you tomorrow kung ano yung progress or update natin. Bye-bye!